Tingnan nyo guys. That's a mango tree. They just growing at the bush. Pero wala pa siyang wala pa siyang bunga. Oo. They don't have a fruit yet. They're going everywhere. Lots and lots of mango everywhere in Queensland. But that one is no fruit yet. Because I guess people when they're eating, they throw the seed here, tinatapon yung mga buto, kaya tumutubo sila. Pero yun, sa tabing pa rin, tawag doon sa atin, sapa, yun sa sapa, sa forest.